In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to generate leads. By the end, you'll know how to pinpoint the right audience, craft high-converting content, plan effective outreach, and continuously improve your results using simple prompts and smart iteration. Let's start with identifying your target audience. Begin by defining your ideal customers and the niche you serve. Clarify who benefits most from your offer and what specific problems you solve. List their pain points, interests, and needs in concrete terms, like the triggers that make them search for solutions and the objections that slow them down. The more detail you provide, the better ChatGPT can tailor ideas. Segment your audience by demographics, such as industry or company size, and by behavior, such as engagement level or purchase stage. Ask ChatGPT to turn this into customer profiles and targeted lead generation ideas. Provide context, constraints, and goals, and avoid sharing any personally identifiable or sensitive information. Next, create high-converting content. Use ChatGPT to draft blog posts, ad copy, and social media captions that address those specific pain points. For emails and landing pages, request persuasive, benefit-driven copy with a clear structure, headline, subhead, body, proof, and a strong call to action. Ask for multiple CTA variations to test, such as booking a demo, downloading a guide, or starting a free trial. To boost visibility, have ChatGPT suggest SEO-friendly topics, outlines, headings, and meta descriptions aligned with your keywords. Then, refine tone and clarity to match your brand voice and audience sophistication. Now generate outreach and marketing ideas. Request personalized cold email templates that reference a prospect's role, challenge, and desired outcome, with short subject lines and clear value. Ask for scripts for discovery calls, demos, and follow-ups that include openers, qualifying questions, and objection handling. Brainstorm promotional campaigns and time-bound offers tailored to each audience segment. For lead magnets, have ChatGPT outline ebooks, step-by-step guides, or checklists, plus the landing page copy and a simple nurture sequence to deliver and promote them. Finally, analyze and improve your lead strategies. Review audience responses and performance metrics, then ask ChatGPT to refine your messaging for clarity, relevance, and urgency. Request ideas to improve conversion rates, such as tightening headlines, simplifying forms, or clarifying the next step. Generate A/B testing ideas for ads and emails, including hypotheses, variables to test, and success criteria. Keep iterating by feeding back results and asking for incremental optimizations so every campaign gets sharper over time. Use these steps to turn ChatGPT into a dependable lead engine and keep refining with real feedback for consistent growth.